From the streets to the stand, flags up high in the air, we all...
Welcome to the match. This is a crucial win game for both teams. Let's see the manager's choices. Kickoff. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Losing possession. Carrying the ball forward. Carrying the ball forward. Oh, launching it long. Fails to keep the ball. Chances on. Goal! Losing possession. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Opening phase of the game complete. Promising signs from both sides. Needs some improvement on... Restart from the goalkeeper. Looking for options. Fails to keep the ball. Tried a through ball. Header! Great anticipation there. The goalkeeper has done exceptionally well. Pretty comfortable piece of defending. Another goal! A brilliant brace, lifting the whole team's spirits. Again. Losing possession. Carrying the ball forward. What a perfect hat-trick! There goes the ball. The score is now 0-3. Might be able to get in behind the defence. That's a perfect goal! Again! Losing possession. Carrying the ball forward. Heavy shot! Goal! There goes the ball. Good play, one-on-one. Fails to keep the ball. Losing possession. Fails to keep the ball. Carrying the ball forward. Good play, one-on-one. And the ball is in the net. Crowd would have gone crazy, and quite rightly so. What a finish that... Again. Carrying the ball forward. Nice through ball. Forward long pass. Poor decision making. Keeping possession nicely. Can they finish? Goal! 2/3 of the match complete. Fast as the ball. The first half of the match is over. So the second half is underway now. Forward long pass. Breaking free. They are looking to create space. Carrying the ball forward. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping! Nice clean through. Again! Good play, one-on-one. Might be able to get in behind the defence. That was an amazing save. Losing possession. It's in! Plenty of power on that! Glorious goal! There goes the ball. Carrying the ball forward. Carrying the ball forward. Fails to keep the ball. Go! Again! Might be able to get in behind the defence. Beautiful through ball. Losing possession. A very timely interception. Good play, one-on-one. Position at the back post. They stole the ball. Carrying the ball forward. Dispossessed. Good play, one-on-one. He scored! There goes the ball. Carrying the ball forward. Well-timed tackle. Losing possession. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Score! Subs getting ready. Again! Carrying the ball forward. Forward long pass. Nice one! Fails to keep the ball. Poor decision making. Golden opportunity. Doubles the personal tally. They are making a change. There goes the ball. Fails to keep the ball. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Fails to keep the ball. No more time, the referee says, and that will do.
Hear the drums, hear the call.